आज का कुछ नहीं किया है मैंने, कुछ नहीं कर पाई। नहीं, मैंने सुना भी कुछ नहीं ना, टॉपिक्स भी नहीं सुने ना। क्या है
Hello,
आज का
am I
टॉपिक, क्या
audible?
है?
Aditi, man, am I audible?
अच्छा
Hello, Nayan?
अच्छा
Yes, sir.
Nayan, Huda, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
अच्छा
Okay.
मेरे को भेजना ना,
Uh,
मेरे को
okay,
भेजना
friends,
ना
as you
असाइनमेंट
know
का मेल
that
कुछ आया तो।
as every year, we are having minor project and major project evaluation. Every year, we are going to conduct the session, and this session, which is to be this project, or what we can say that is minor project and this major project which is to be evaluated by the industry experts. Last year also we evaluate our minor project presentation by industry expert. So this year also we are going to conduct this minor project presentation evaluation by the industry expert. So for the same we are having auspicious presence of Mr. Ashwin Bangar. He is the CEO of Scriptlet Solution, Jalgaon, and we are also having auspicious presence of our beloved HOD, Professor Sonal Patil ma'am. I welcome Ashim Bangar sir and Professor Sonal Patil ma'am for this minor project presentation evaluation. Student, sir, sir and ma'am will definitely give your suggestion, and this will helpful to you for improvement of your minor project presentation. Okay, thank you. So first project, minor project evaluation, which is to be given by Rohini and group. Okay. Yes, Rohini, please share your slide.
Yes, sir.
And start your session.
First of all, good morning all. Today we are going to present our minor project presentation, that is cotton leaf disease identification using pattern recognition techniques.
Yes.
Contents are introduction, introduction, existing system, system architecture, hardware and software requirements, conclusion. Introduction. The various pathogens are present in the environment. A steady reduction in the cotton production has occurred due to pathogens. Cotton has a habit of growing infinitely. In the lengthy bearing period of cotton, it is often damaged by various leaf diseases, and about 80 to 90% of the disease of cotton crop is it on its leaves. A large number of peoples are dependent on the cotton crop. The cotton leaf is attacked by red spot disease, white spot disease, and crumble leaf disease. Due to these diseases, it reduces the productiveness. And if the disease is not yet detected in the early stage, it will decrease the cotton farmer's income and lead to significant losses of the farmer. So in this project, we can identify the various cotton crop diseases in pattern recognition technique. We can also classify the diseases and quantify the damage of the crop. And the main motivation is to provide proper treatment for the respective disease to the farmer. Next slide. Existing system. In early years, we can identify diseases by using our own eye. In earlier years, when technology is not much developed, if the disease gets detected by the farmer usually go to the pesticide shop. But according to his experience, he gives the suggestion or treatments, and sometimes it is wrong. So it affects badly to the plant and production get decreases. Second, image processing technique is used for identification and classification of disease. In image processing technique, it can take images of affected area. The RGB image is converted to HIS format for identifying disease. But initial cost is high, and once the system is damaged, then images will be lost. Next is CNN algorithm is used for disease detection. CNN is a convolutional neural network. CNN is a deep learning algorithm which can take images as an input, and it can scan that images in the form of pixels. But this technology is also expensive and hard to implement, and farmer can't afford it. Next slide is explained by Nayan.
Thank you, Mansi. In this slide, we discuss about the system architecture. So first of all, we take a query image as we see on the diagram. Then the query image taken from that is a defective part of the plant or leaf. Then it will be going in a pre-processing. Pre-processing that is to remove noise, that is unwanted area of the plant which we not covered, and to recognize the exact part of the defected area. Then with feature extraction. Feature extraction it plays an important role for identification of an object. Is the feature which can use in a plant disease identification. So by a classifier, this is the image collection pre-processing, that is a database which can be already stored in our database. Then finally getting the result of the exact this is what and what are going to be the solution for this disease. Next slide, so present by Rohini.
Thank you, Nayan. In this slide, we discuss about the hardware and software requirements. Hardware requirements: Raspberry Pi is like a mini CPU. The camera will capture the pictures and send it.
Ashwin sir, is there any suggestion for these people?
Some doubts, sir, I have. First thing
Yes,
is that they would be. Yes.
Yes.
One thing was that would they be using Android application? They would be developing an Android application, a web-based application, or desktop-based application.
Yes, Nayan, Rohini, Mansi. Answer the
You
question.
would be developing a web application or desktop or Android application. You're using the desktop application. You would be using hardware camera to capture the image, or you would be using a data set.
Camera capturing point.
Live leaves you will be detecting.
Yeah, sir, it depends on the how the live picture or image capturing.
No, that is the secondary part. What farmers would be doing, that is the secondary part. What you will be developing for college. So you will be presenting with a live demo, or you would be doing image capturing.
No, sir, image capturing.
You will be using a captured image, or you will be capturing live through webcam.
Live.
Okay. So do you have any data set of that? Because your algorithm, which you have mentioned that you will be using some CNN or something algorithm. Which algorithm you will be using for this? Hello?
Aditi, kindly present your presentation. Share your
Yes.
presentation immediately.
PPT is visible, sir. Yes. So, good afternoon. We are going to discuss about the our project topic, robot assistant management of diabetes in children based on IoT. Introduction. Prevalence of diabetes is increasing at an alarming rate worldwide. It is estimated that 450 million people have diabetes. Every 6 seconds, a person dies from diabetes. As a result, there has been an increased pressure on the available healthcare resources and patient diagnosed with diabetes require a more efficient diabetes management plan. The Internet of Things is a new concept associated with the future architecture of applications development in which the physical objects and virtual objects are interconnected through various means to enable new applications and services. Distributed architecture. Network architecture of the network encompasses two main components: capability networks of the POS, and second, web-centric PHM for patient monitoring and disease management. The long-range connectivity between these components is performed through a wireless local area network linked to an existing network infrastructure as shown in figure. Each capability network comprises a set of medical sensors like BG monitor, blood pressure, and pulse rate monitor, and weight scale and existing humanoid robot. In this figure, medical sensors are linked to the robot through a personal area network in which the robot acts as a master Bluetooth device. The robot at each capability network also acts as a conduit between the patient and his or her medical sensor from one side and DHM and caregivers from the other side. The DHM provides a set of services that cover all the continuum of diabetes management for the patient and their caregivers.
Software architecture. Software development of the main platform component is unifiedly and logically divided into three main components. First, system. Second, database. And third, applications. System refers to core classes, configuration, and service libraries that are skeleton and a container for the various applications. Database refers to both logical and centralized storage for the information of capillary networks and the DHM respectively. Applications refers to the modules that handle physical objects related functionalities, including human objects. Next slide. DHM interface, that is Disease Management Hub, service requests of the physical layer